Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the second part of this video on cleaning up these corners of this wording. And earlier I showed, and if you haven't watched the first one, you really need to watch the first one. This is a rounded corner and he wants it squared off and more like the real logo. So grab your shape tool and just delete this node. Now take all four of these nodes, let's say, and right click and convert it to a line. But you've seen what's happened here. It brought it over the next line. So let's bring in our indexing line. I've still got snap to, and it's that far off. Now I showed that you could move that in the first video, but there's actually a little bit easier way. Take your shape tool and select the one that needs to be moved first. Hold down your shift key, select the second one, go right here to align nodes and align vertically, and it's going to move it over. So you don't even need the indexing lines, but you need to do it. The one you need to move needs to be selected first. Let's do that again. Let's do it backwards. Let's select that one first, hold down the shift key and select that one, go up to align nodes, align vertically, and see it moved it over. And that's not what we want because it's actually changed the logo. So let's take this again. Let's zoom in here. Let's grab our shape tool. This is the one we want to move. Then hold down the shift key, which is meaning you're selecting them both. Go up to align and align vertically. And it moved it over where it's now correct. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.